How to fix Instagram not showing likes. So if any post of the Instagram is not showing likes, then that might be the various reason. In order to fix that, watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the homepage of Instagram, from where you will be able to explore the various reels and feeds. So you have to tap over your profile in the right bottom corner, and here you have to reach out to the post in which you are not being able to see the like. So if you tap over the three dotted vertical line in the right hand side of the post, you'll be able to see hide like count option. If you tap over there, then all of your likes will be hidden and no one will be able to look. So if some of the people have applied this on their post, then also you won't be able to see their like count on the video or post. So this is the first reason, and the other reason may be due to the lack of updates or refreshment. So for that, you just have to go back and you just have to open up to Play Store. Here simply tap and search for Instagram. And right now my Instagram is updated, but if any updates are available on your Instagram, then you just can tap over the updates and you'll be able to update the Instagram, and you'll also be able to see the likes counts over there. Now the second thing is you have to go back and simply open up to apps. Here press and hold over Instagram and go for app info directly. Once you are here, you can go for storage and cache, and you just have to clear the cache. By doing that, also you'll be able to refresh your Instagram and all of your like counts will be able to see. Now the next thing is you have to check whether or not your internet connection is strong. For that, you can swipe down your notification panel, and if you have connected to cellular data, then make sure that your cellular data network connection is strong, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. So if you see over all of these fixes, you will be able to fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.